Wow, the photography kit for the X300 Pro 5400 millimeters. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey, what's up? Sami here. Today, in this video, let's take a quick look at the X300 Pro photographer kit version. I just got this unit a few hours ago, and the embargo time, will be left just a few hours later, so I have to rush with unboxing, just unbox and first look. All right, I will do an in-depth review video a bit later, compare with like Xiaomi 17 Pro Max and Samsung S25 Ultra, everything. So definitely subscribe. I think this video is just gonna be a really simple unbox and first look. Let's get started. Starting with unboxing. So we have 3 boxes here. One is the X100 vanilla version, and then is this X300 Pro photographer kit. Oh my god, that's basically my dream box. We'll get to that in a bit. And then this Vivo Life, I guess. I don't know what's inside, maybe some T-shirt or something. Let's start with the X300, vanilla version. Sorry, I don't have a tripod here, so I just do everything just one single hand. Wow. Wow, that's the phone. And then we have the pen. Also, wow, a phone case. That's also the blue color that matches the color of your phone. That's well thought out. A multi-language manual. And what else? We have this up to 19 watts fast charger, a Type A to Type C cable, and that's basically the unboxing. First, let me give you really quick design walkthrough. So on top we have this speaker, the mic, antenna bands. Here on the right side we have the volume rocker and the power key. At the bottom we have the speaker Type C and the SIM card tray. Move to this side, nothing. And this is the camera module. I will just list the specs on the screen. And there's flash on the left corner. Wow, Vivo logo here. My first impression is, wow, this is like so delicate, so elegant, like so premium with this kind of matte middle frame. It just feels polished, really refined, feels awesome. And this is a small screen, so you can just hold with one hand, and your finger, your thumb can reach every corner of the screen. And now let's get to the Pro photographer kit. Just so pumped. And this is a heavy box. Oh my god, I can barely lift it with one hand. And I'm a strong man. Wow, just lift like that. It's like an open a gift box, right? Wow. Awesome, right? And then we have the X300 Pro phone right here. That is the Pro version. Wow, like this kind of like a titanium finish, right? Should be. Wow. Feels so good. A case, some paperwork. And now let me just walk you very quickly about the design of the X300 Pro. So here we got, should be the speaker, right? And on this left side we got a customizable key. And that's the difference, the design difference between the vanilla version. At the bottom we have the SIM card tray, speaker, and Type C charging. And on the right side we got the power key and the volume rocker, some antenna bands. And at the bottom, I move to the back, still we have this camera module. I just cannot wait to test it out. Most importantly, let's check out what else we got in this photographer kit box. Wow, check this out. This is what we got in the box. Okay, lift the thing up and you will see everything in the box. The case that's specifically designed to pair with the grip. Alright, the lanyard. Looks fashion. This, okay, they just give you for free. Okay, not like for Apple it costs you like $100. That's unreal, right? That's absurd. Alright. Wow, the extender, the lens extender. Definitely will check this out. That's it. And this adapter ring. And that's basically everything in the box. Also comes with a manual, an English manual, to tell you how to use it. And basically that's it. And now let me just show you how to use this photography kit. Alright, so first of all, you have to use this phone case. I noticed that there's a stand here. So you can just use this as a normal, stand. A phone case with a stand, that's great, right? You can put it on the table while you're eating, you watch something, and that's great. Just like that. Okay. Easy. And then you just plug in this kit. Okay, just like that. Alright. Very easy. You will hear click, right? And when you connect it, it should have this prompt. Okay. It will walk you through all the tutorial how to use it, and there is a button here you can press and take it out if you want. And now let me show you how to install this telephoto extender. Right, you have to, first of all, you press this button and then counterclockwise. You have to install this adapter. This mark here, not sure if you can see it here. Align it, and clockwise it. That's it. Super easy. There's also white dot here. You just align the dot on the adapter. Okay, just like that. Super easy. Wow. I noticed that compared to the one on the X320 Ultra, this one is not like wobbling around. Okay, it's very tight and has better, design. That's for sure. And then let me show you in the settings. Alright, so this is how it looks when you just install this telephoto extender. There's a button here, just press it. Okay, and then you just press install. Turn on. Okay, and here you go. Oh my god. Let me just zoom in a little bit. You can see very clear about everything. This super small text on the door, right? Wow, that's just crazy, all the way up to 5,400 millimeters. And right now, this extender, the telephoto extender, is not exclusive to the Ultra version. You can buy it right now for your X300 Pro, and that's something I'm really excited. Just kind of wait to use it more in the next few days and pull out an in-depth review about it. Also, you click in the settings, more settings, and here you can set everything here. There's an option called professional camera grip, right? And you can set everything, like for your shutter here, like for this gear button, you can set everything here, like shutter release, single picture, or high-speed burst photo. Let me just show you, and let's press it. Wow. Okay, quick action button, zoom lever, custom option eraser, everything is here. All right, I will do a more depth review a bit later, so stay tuned definitely.